What's going on, boys? Today's video, what is it, like episode 18? Journey to first payout. In today's video, we're going to go over the 2 trades I took. We ended up blowing this combine, but this really isn't a big deal. It's 50 bucks. You just get another one. My current plan for how I trade combines is just risk half the drawdown and try to get that $1,500 day so you can just pass it in 2 or 3 days. You know, you don't want to be sitting on a combine for 2 months, 3 months. That's a complete waste of time, especially since it's only $50 to retry. It's way more worthwhile just trying to speed run it and then take your time and, you know, trade the XFAs a little differently. But as you guys see right here, this one trade ended up playing out, but I'm just going to go over both trades on TradingView, show you guys what I did. First, let me show you guys the executions just to show you guys I ain't chatting. Boom. All over here. It looks like there's a lot more because I added in a bunch, and that's why this trade ended up taking me out, because as you guys see, we inversed this for value gap, and I added in as we were displacing higher. So this little retracement down ended up putting my P&L at negative 2K, which is the max loss limit. And this trade, if it played out, I would have made like $1,500. But whatever, man. It's whatever. I had like 5 minis at one point up here, you know. But let's just go to TradingView. Let's just go over the analysis. So to start off the day, I had a couple biases. What I mainly realized was that we were reacting off of this 4-hour imbalance, right? And we have these highs up here that I'm seeking. These highs and these highs, right? So, market opens. Dude, why does it like... So, right here, this is that 4-hour gap. I'm basically just anticipating price to continue from this gap and push on higher to take out these highs, right? Oh my gosh, this is so stupid, bro. Every time I switch time frames, I have to replay price. Come on, bro. But as you guys see, price opens up. We manipulate these nearby internal highs. We displace down, creating this for value gap. So if I want to see these highs get taken out, I need to see this imbalance get disrespected. We end up inversing it, but it was a very, very like choppy, slow inverse. Yeah, and then as I was thinking about just entering here, going break even there, but that's pretty much guaranteeing yourself that you're going to get stopped at break even. So I wanted to catch a continuation from here, right? As you guys see, we have these nice 15-minute, 1-minute external highs right here. So I'm just trying to bank a little continuation play like this, boom, boom, to these highs. Pretty simple stuff, right? We don't really have any bearish PD race stopping us from getting to this high. So what do? I see this 1 minute for value gap get created. I wait for price to come into the for value gap, and I think I take some sort of entry. I gotta go into the 15-second. Yeah, I'll show you guys what entry I ended up taking. Oh, I entered back here. I saw this 15-second displacement. The 1 minute close looked good. I thought 100% we could just go break even at these highs. And stop loss right here. I bought like 3 minis. Stop loss down here. Yep, this was $1,000 stop loss. This would have put me at a nice, this take profit would have been at a nice point. And as you guys see, we just get fucking destroyed, man. But it's okay. It's okay. I don't know. I'm not really too sure why we got stopped out. It's not like we had some unfilled imbalance or like some low we wanted to take out. We literally just retraced just to come back higher. Like, really unfortunate. Really unfortunate what happened. But then, as you guys see right here, with that retrace, we create this imbalance. What is happening with this chart? What is happening with this chart? Come on, man. I'm trying to show my boys, give my boys some analysis. Okay, so at this point, this is where I got stopped out at. My take profit, my entry was somewhere in here, anticipating these highs. Couldn't even go break even, just got Diddy candle down. But with this Diddy candle, we created a bearish fair value gap that I then could use as an entry to go higher. And this is what I ended up doing. I ended up placing entry here, stop loss here, boom, just like that. I entered again, this time with like 4. Stop loss down here, take profit right here. Beautiful. I went a lot heavier on this because I had to make up, I wanted to make up what I just lost. So I needed to make like $2,500 on this trade so that my previous loss was, you know, made up for. But in doing that, I only have $1,000 left of drawdown because I lost that last trade for $1,000. So as you guys see, we get nice displacement. I start adding in here, right? So at this point, this number, I'm like adding in. Oh, my bad. I'm adding in, like boom, boom. So I'm chilling. I'm keep adding in, and then we get this. Now, I don't know. I'm not sure how, but right at this point in this retrace, my account gets exterminated, liquidated, and of course we ended up taking TP right after. But it's whatever, man. Like, I'm just happy I was able to identify a good trade setup. I still anticipate these highs getting taken, these hourly highs, but we're just chopping, man. This summer has not been good trading. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Just not good performance. Like how are we not just flushing to these highs? Like, it's so obvious what we want to do, but you know, the market moves how the market moves. You can't force it to do anything, but we have to find some sort of entry here. But again, I'm pretty happy with how today went, even though I blew the account. I was correct in my bias, and my entries weren't terrible. It's just, you know what I mean, that this kind of loss is going to happen. I'm not really too sure how this fair value gap got inversed like that, and then we continued on higher. But yeah, that one inverse play was very nice, and it looks like we edged that overall draw anyway. Wow, that's so unfortunate. Are we even retracing to an imbalance or anything? Nope, no imbalance to retrace to. Yeah, so this day is just choppy, man. Nothing really. Really unfortunate. This is real displacement too, so now it makes me think that we're going for these lows. Because if we were going to take out that overall high, we would not have gotten this close and then react like this. Our retrace would be slow and subtle, not huge, big speedy candle. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Going to get a new combine, $50 only. It's not that big of a deal. And tomorrow, yeah, we'll be back with a fresh balance Hopefully we can get that $1,500 day, so I can get back to the XFA by next week, or maybe even by Tuesday, by Thursday, Friday. Hopefully I can get on to XFA. But that'll be it for this video. See you guys tomorrow.